How to remove SIM card without tool. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to remove your SIM card without a tool, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So basically what you need to do first, actually if you don't have any tool, then I got one of these, and that is like for an earring basically. So I'm just going to zoom it out. As you can see, this is like a small little piece right here, and it's like for an earring basically. So if you have one of these at home, then that is perfect. If you don't have one of these at home, I just bought this one actually at the dollar store for like $1. So if you have any dollar store or similar stores nearby, then you can just get one of these for like $1 or so, I think. So basically when you have gotten one of those, then what you can do is to take your phone, and then just we need to basically find that SIM card hole in here, and then just I'm going to insert perfectly. As you can see, it just popped up, so I'm going to remove it right now. And as you can see, the SIM card is now removed. And yeah, now you can insert a new SIM card if you want to, for example, or put it back in. Yeah, you can do whatever you want basically. So this is exactly how to remove your SIM card without a tool. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to leave a like on this video, and please subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.